This is today's 30-minute meal in 1 minute. Let's get started. After washing and drying all produce, slice scallions, keeping green and whites separate. Mince garlic, then core, seed, and cut the poblano pepper into half-inch squares and rinse beans. Over medium-high heat, cook beef for 5 to 6 minutes until browned. Season and set aside. Using the same pan, dispose of any excess grease, and over medium to high heat, add scallion whites, poblano, and garlic. Cook until browned and softened for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add in Mexican seasoning spice and be sure to coat veggies. Add stock concentrate, beans, tomato, and 1 cup of water to the pan. Stir, bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Serve with cheddar cheese, scallion greens, and sour cream. Season with salt and pepper. And there's your 30-minute meal in just 1 minute.